Today, I'm going to show you how to make DIY sensory snakes. Now, a DIY sensory snake is a weighted snake that is perfect for children of all ages. Perhaps your child is feeling a little bit of uncertainty right now. Maybe your child is a little anxious right now. A weighted snake is a wonderful way to help your children cope. Another fun kind of tool for a weighted snake for your child to use the snake for is perhaps your child would like a reading buddy. Maybe your snake can sit with your child while you read to your child, or maybe your child can practice reading to your snake. Today, I'm going to show you the different materials you need and show you how you can create a DIY sensory snake. Now, the first thing you will need to create your DIY sensory snake is a sock. You'll see here that I have a knee-high sock, but any clean sock will do just as well. You'll see here that I also have a piece of felt that will serve as your snake's tongue. Now, if you do not have felt at home, construction paper, you'll see here that I just cut out a tongue with construction paper. That works just as well. Another material you will need are your eyes for your snake. You'll see here that I have googly eyes, but if you do not have googly eyes at home, construction paper works just as well. You'll see here that I just used white construction paper and colored in little eyeballs, and those are another great way if you do not have googly eyes at home. Now you're probably wondering, what's the missing ingredient? Aha! The missing ingredient is the weight for your snake is going to be uncooked rice. Now, if you do not have uncooked rice at home, another option would be uncooked beans or uncooked pasta. Now, let's get started in making our DIY sensory snake. Now, the first thing you're going to do is grab your clean sock, and we're going to go ahead and open it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to pour the uncooked rice into the sock. You'll see here I just let the rice fall to the bottom. Go ahead and make sure your rice gets all the way to the bottom. Now you can fill up your weighted snake with as much or as little rice as you want. Continue to fill it up. Once you have filled it up, I'm going to show you the next step. I'm going to go ahead and put this sock down and pick up my weighted snake. Now, once you have completed and put it in the enough amount of rice that you want to put into your weighted snake, you're going to go ahead and take your snake, and what you're going to do is you're just going to tie your snake off at the top just to make sure none of the rice slips out. So I'm going to go ahead and I tightened it up here, and you'll see here that I already have like the formation of a snake, which is pretty cool. Your next step is going to be to put your googly eyes on your snake. I'm going to go ahead and take the construction paper instead, and what I'm going to use is I'm going to take this hot glue gun and make 2 dots here onto my snake for the eyes. Now, if you do not have hot glue at home, another option would be to use basic Elmer's glue. That works just as well. I'm going to go ahead and I put the hot glue on. Go ahead and put the eyes on my snake. Now we can't forget about our tongue for our snake. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up my tongue, a pink tongue to match my pink snake, and go ahead and make a line on my snake at the bottom. DIY weighted sensory snake, perfect for children and families of all ages. This video was brought to you by Durham County Library. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful day.